Hello everybody, it's Google. Yes, you can see that the two cans and it's a yellow white one and another one is a black one and they have whatever it's called. It's good relationship like this one. Yes, they kiss each other. And before whatever and another one it's brown one and there is it's a little big one. Where is big one? Come here. Where are you? Oh, there is the. You can see that this one is the white black one or whatever, and yes, it's big enough. This one is the brown and thinny one. Yeah, and this yellow white ones always be on this table and today tonight I make them some meals. It's like the meals of the whatever it's called for the cans. And the protein with some fish, meat like this one. They use it together. You can see. But I think that these guys are just enjoying the last days too much, so and they don't want to just eat the protein one meals with something and fish meat to taste like this one because until the past I always gave them some fish meat, and of course if you can just how can I say that leave them to the big building that is called crazy buildings and the buildings and they can't wear that or eat the better food like this one. But so today and I just leave the food there so they didn't finish them. Yes, she is playing whatever. And dig a hole. You want to dig a hole? Hey, Ken, Kuchin? Yeah, he's doing these things. What do you want to find? Somebody bury somebody here? No, I don't think so. And how about you? You want just to eat something? The grass? No? Okay, whatever. Yeah. And there is you can see. And there is a mixture, I mean the white black ones and just to eat something. Oh, and a ranch behind him. But I think that is where the areas. Because how can I say that they can't just eat the mouse, I mean the ranch. But they can just deal with each other peaceful. It's an interesting time, is that right? You can see that it's a ranch and under the truck, and they can't with the ranch. They can't fight with each other, but they can deal with each other. It's interesting. Okay, that's the videos for tonight, and I think that they are great. They are great enough and to enjoy their life. Thank you, everybody. Hi. Okay, there is a little black one. Hey, Kuchin, do you want to eat something? Oh, hey, the practice, you go. You go is come from India, is that right? Hey. Yeah. Okay. That's today's. Thank you, everybody.